Canada is made up of nearly 9% rivers, lakes, and streams, and 14% wetlands. Most of it originates from the cryosphere, which is the part of the globe where the surface is frozen, such as glaciers and permanent frost. Canada's environment holds 1/5 of the entire world's fresh water. Lake and river ice defines much of the character and landscape of our country. Ice on our rivers and lakes is sensitive to air temperature and is a useful indicator of the health of our environment. It is measured and monitored with the help of satellite imaging. Because of the seeming abundance of water, we take it for granted. Canadians use more water per person than most other countries. It's not an unlimited resource. Let's do our part to save water. It begins in the home.